Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. And today I just want to give a huge shout out to the GLO teeth whitening system for keeping teeth white and healthy and shiny. And I love this one in particular because it's so good for my sensitive teeth. You guys, this is just revolutionary for me. Using white strips, a lot of times the stuff that you get in the store would just leave me for days after, not able to drink cold drinks or eat ice cream or even have something that was hot because you just get those pangs of sensitivity. This whitening system is not like that at all, and it's really easy to use. I love that it comes in the travel case. There's a couple different colors to choose from. It was made by a celebrity dentist, so you know that they know a thing or two about beautiful, white, healthy celebrity teeth, so it can definitely be trusted. They know what they're talking about. The difference in this teeth whitening system than any other that I've used is in the heat and the light. The combination of the heat and the light helps to, absorb the ingredients into your teeth, do whatever it does. I don't really understand the science behind it. All I know is that it works, and it's been so different than any other teeth whitening that I've used, specifically because it doesn't hurt your teeth. It doesn't make them sensitive. It doesn't, give you all of that sensitivity for days after. This can be used pretty aggressively as well. They recommend using each cycle, each time you use it is only 8 minutes. But if you really want an intensive whitening, you have a big event coming up, you're going to a wedding or a class reunion, something like that, and you really want to get that white smile quickly, then this is great because, again, you don't have to worry about it just making your teeth hurt. And if you deal with sensitivity, the last thing you want to do is back-to-back treatments of other whitening treatments. That would have terrified me before, but believe me, you guys, you can use this one and you can stack them and do it like 4 times a day in a row for 5 days, and you're gonna see dramatic results. It is a great product. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You're gonna be so happy.